Once again.
What's up, Wagwan? So I'm doing this passion twist in my daughter's hair for back to school, and I'm going to show you how it's done. So basically you part the hair and I add a little bit of edge control, and these are the braids, like they are crochet hairs. I will leave the link in the description box. I got them from AliExpress. And basically they're like this when you take them out, and I'm going to show you how I do it. So what you want to do, you want to unravel it or just make it fluffy. Look like afro like. And you want to plait it first. And you want to give it some plait. I add some edge control on it, and from here I'm just gonna twist it. This is it so far, and I'm going to show you one more. So guys, this is it, and this is how it's looking. All right, I'm gonna continue, and when I reach at the top I'll show you one more. Almost done. So I'm gonna show you, unravel it, just like that, and then we're gonna braid it. Grab the hair, and I'm gonna plait it first. And you want to plait it a little bit because you don't want it to loose. Just like that. And from right here now, guys, I'm just gonna twist it. And you want to twist it soft. Don't put too much pressure on the braids. And that's it, guys. I already put some edge control just to catch it, and then you want to twine it, and you want to do the same thing, unravel, and you want to braid it. And after you reach a little bit of distance, because you don't want the hair to pull from the braids, then I add the hair to one of the braids, and then I'm just gonna hold it and twist it gentle. Sunny happy now. She's smiling. You laughing at Amir or you're smiling?
I'm smiling and laughing.
Put some edge control and just wind that in. And that's it there, guys. All done. And this is my beautiful daughter. Say hi.
Hi.
And this is the final result. Turn around, Sunny. And that's my passion twist for back to school. Turn around, Sunny. Sorry, son.
It's okay. It ain't gonna hurt.
And that's the look I got from it, guys. Please remember to like and subscribe to my channel. One love and be blessed. Say cheese.
Cheese.
There you have it. Stay there, son. Don't move. Smile.